The weakest link in the chain is you. Why cybercriminals target people more than computers, and how to stop them. The best security system cannot stop an open door. Even the newest devices and the strongest antivirus cannot fully protect someone who is tricked into making a bad decision. Technology isn't the weak point. The person using the device is the real target. Getting tricked isn't stupidity, it's being human. Cybercriminals do not see these traits as virtues. They see them as programmable buttons to bypass your logic. Scammers don't hack your computer's code. They hack your emotions. The scammer's emotional playbook. Scammers rely on fear, greed, loneliness, and confusion to force you into reacting before you have time to think. The hackers shortcut around technology. They do not need to hack the machine if they can manipulate the person holding it. Dissecting a real-life trap. The hook triggers curiosity and concern. The rush forces you to act fast without verifying. The trap, a strange fake web link. The actual delivery mechanism for the scam. The scammer's greatest hits. Romance scammers. Fake antivirus pop-up warnings. Fake customer support agents asking for your password. Good people, wrong moment. Acting too fast. Letting panic dictate your fingers. Not verifying. Trusting a message without double-checking the source. Reusing passwords. Using the exact same weak password everywhere. Oversharing online. Giving away puzzle pieces of your life. Ignoring updates. Leaving known software security holes wide open. Blind trust. Believing caller ID or official-looking company logos are always real. Weaponizing decades of trust and politeness. Scammers target seniors because they assume you are more trusting and less familiar with the newest tricks. Make no mistake, knowing this is exactly why your awareness is your absolute greatest power. The ultimate defense weapon, a simple pause. One pause can stop a scam cold. Scammers rely entirely on momentum and panic. They absolutely hate it when people slow down, take a breath, and think. Building your human firewall. Stop. Do not click, download, or react instantly. Look. Closely examine the sender, the link, and the tone of the message. Think. Does this make sense? Why are they rushing me? Verify. Confirm directly with the real company or person using a known trusted phone number. Act. Only proceed when you are 100% certain it is safe. The Daily Protection Checklist. Pause before clicking any unexpected link. Never give personal information just because someone asks for it. Use strong, unique passwords for different accounts. Turn on two-factor authentication, a second step to log in. Keep your device and software updated. Ask someone you trust if you are ever unsure. Curiosity and caution are your best tools. You do not have to be a computer expert to stay safer online. You just have to be curious, cautious, and willing to verify before you trust. From the weakest link to the strongest defense. The weakest link does not have to stay weak. The more you learn, the stronger you become. You hold the power to stop scammers in their tracks.